Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1578, minimum time to make rope colorful. So first we're going to look into the problem statement, and then we'll check out the approach which we're going to use, and towards the end of the video we'll have the code explanation as well. So let's start with the problem statement first. So as you can see, you have been given this problem in which Alice has in balloons arranged on a rope, and we'll be given a zero index string called colors, in which we will get the colors of every ith balloon. Okay, basically we'll have colors mentioned for every balloon. Alice wants the rope to be colorful. She doesn't want two consecutive balloons to be of same colors. Okay, so she asked Bob for help. Bob can remove some balloons from the rope to make it colorful, and we'll also get another array called needed time, where needed time will represent time that Bob needs to remove the ith balloon from the row. Okay, so the crux of the whole problem statement is we want to make sure that there are no two balloons of same color together. Okay, and we want to minimize the time which we want to spend on removing the balloons. Okay, so this is the crux of the problem. So what we're gonna do, let's check out the approach. Okay, so we will have two arrays, right? The arrays were colors and needed time. In colors we will get all the colors, right? For example, green, 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 red, yellow, green. So if you see over here, like we have three consecutive same colors, right, in this segment. So our objective is to remove two of these with the smallest what do you say, like smallest time, right? So what we are going to do, we will use two pointer approach. Okay, two pointer approach. And now I'll initialize my left pointer to the 0th element and right pointer to first element. Okay, I will see if both of these pointers have same color or not. Yes, for example, like this is the statement which you're talking about. If color at L equals to color at R. Okay, yes, then what we will do, we will check what is the time needed to remove the element at L or the element at R. Okay, so in this case, element at R will take only 1 unit of time, right? So this is the condition which we are talking about. Okay, so in this one, what we'll do, needed time of R was less than needed time of L, then we will have another variable called result initialized with 0. I'll add 1 in it. Okay, and we don't need to update our L pointer, but we will update the R pointer. We will take it to the next index. Okay, now again I'll check if both of these have same colors. Yes, they had the same color. Then again what I'll do, I'll replace. So with this we have already replaced. Now we'll replace this because the time needed to replace this element was lesser, and we'll add 2 in it. Okay, now again this one is solved. We will come to this one, right? This is our R now. L and R are not equal, so what I'll do, I will update my L pointer and will make it equals to R. Okay, so my left pointer will point on this particular element, and R will be further shifted. Similarly, again L and R are not equal, then again what I'll do, I'll shift my L pointer here and R pointer will be shifted here, right? So this is the approach which you're going to follow. There is one more point. For example, let's say I'll change the values a bit. Okay, okay, let's see. So this was G, and let's say 1 and 3. Okay, now for example, for the condition number 1, okay, if this was the condition, right, RL, the colors at left pointer and R pointers are same, but the time needed to remove L pointer element is lesser than R pointer element, right? Because it takes 1 unit time and 3. In this case, what I'll do, I'll add one in my result array, and will update my L pointer and shift my R pointer, right? So usually like what we were doing in case of we didn't had same color on both the indexes. Okay, so this is the approach which we are going to follow. Coming to the coding, so this is a very simple code in which what we are doing, we have used left pointer, result, and right pointer, and I have initialized my left pointer with 0, and with each step we will be moving our right pointer, right? And we have initialized it with 1. Okay, so what we are doing over here, if color at left equals to color of right, this was the base condition which we wanted to look at. If yes, we are checking which will take lesser time. So for example, if left will take lesser time than right pointer element, then we will add left point element into results and will update the left pointer and will mark the current location of right with it. Okay, else we will just simply add the right pointer element, right pointer time in the results, and as we are running this for loop, we don't have to update the right pointer element, and left will remain same at the same index. If, as we saw in the conditions where the colors were not different, we were simply just updating left pointer, right? So now my left pointer will point to the right element index, and right pointer will again move one step ahead. At the end, we will just simply return the result of it. Let's check out the test cases. So as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation again. And the solution got accepted, and like as you can see, we have outperformed 99.80% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.